Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Jacksonville local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers provides long-distance moving services in Jacksonville, FL you can count on. If you are planning a big or small move, you can trust our professional crew to make it simple. We can do any type of move project, from a college dorm or apartment to a large house to full office relocation. We can help you with packing and crating if you need those services also. Long-distance movers register with the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, and we are proud of our safety record and customer service. When you are getting ready to move from one home to another in the Jacksonville metro area, call 3 Movers Cheap Local Movers to estimate the moving cost. We are professional local movers, and we can give you the best service in the vicinity. Our experienced teams can handle any size job. We prepare your furniture and important items for the local move as if they were going on a long journey. We don't want anything to get damaged, and neither do you. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Jacksonville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.